Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to download World of Tanks application on your mobile device. First of all, go ahead and unlock your mobile device and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store according to your device's operating system. In the search box, type in World of Tanks and search. Look for this application that says World of Tanks Blitz and tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app. On your iOS device, you'll be prompted to scan your Face ID, Touch ID, or enter in your Apple ID password. Go ahead and provide the information and wait for the app to download and install. Stay connected to Wi-Fi if possible for faster download, and then once you are done with the download process, you can enjoy the game. Jump into the battlefield, command your tank, and enjoy epic multiplayer tank battles wherever you go with the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.